Hey, did you see there's a new function in Excel, which is the Copilot function. So basically you can apply a prompt to cells, and let's try this on a survey I did a long time ago. There's a column I want to analyze. Let's see, that's a Z column, where I ask what are the main issues, limitation when collaborating. And here are the answers. And what I want to do is to categorize them with a word, so I can filter, the answers that are, you know, listed under one category. So let's try that. So I'm gonna use this Copilot function. And as you can see, hopefully it's gonna come. Yeah, I can put my prompt and then put the context, and I can follow up with another prompt. So here I'm gonna say my prompt is, I think I have a prompt already. Categorize with one word this response in the survey, asking the main issues people encounter when collaborating. That's my prompt, and the cell is, so I'm going to select it. Where is the cell? Here's the cell. And I'm just going to close my function and say run it. And so now if I go there, it categorized as an access problem. So now I can try, I might be ambitious here, I'm unpacking that, but can I replicate that on every line? Oh, let's do just, oh. Okay, there's two, so that's one limitation. If you're using Copilot on too many cells, it's not gonna work. So that's a limitation, too bad. So let's see what is the limitation here. Can I do that? Yeah. So at least I can do 30 calls to Copilot. But as you can see, it's pretty cool because now I have categorized all the answers and I'll be able to filter. I'm gonna try to see if I can do that in several instances. So pretty damn good. So can I redo that? Yeah. So it's not perfect because obviously, maybe it's not working because it's slower. Okay, let's keep on going. You see connect, that means it probably doesn't work that far. So I will say the Copilot function can be very useful on limited number of cells, or you have to manually redo it. You see this is not working on all of them. So if I can, if I do that, no, I reached the limit. So apparently not above 70 total. Well, yeah, it worked on some of them. But I tried it on. I tried it to translate, so that was not very convincing. I can show you that. Let me try to translate in another column. So call it translation in French, and I'm gonna use a Copilot function again, and I'm gonna select cell here, equal Copilot translation. Sorry. So first is a prompt. Translate this cell in French. Be sure to translate everything. Because the first time it wasn't translating everything. And I'm gonna give the cell is this. This is, a good use case for international companies who are collecting feedback in different languages. If you want to have, so let's see. I need to change the formatting so I can see it. Wrap text. Yeah, it does a good translation. So let's see if I do that on all this. Yeah, so it does a good job, but again, it's limited to a number of cells, a number of calls apparently. I don't know what is the limitation. I need to dig into the documentation if it's noted. But it's super powerful to have a Copilot function directly in a cell as a formula. So you can apply a prompt to a cell or to a range of information also. So hope you'll try this and you enjoy it.